How to find lost app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find lost app on Android phone. First, then all you need to do is just swipe like that, and that's it. Then just type here any app you want, like Facebook, and here you can find it. Just click on it, and then it's easy. Just type here any app you want, and you will find it, and then click on it, and that's it. Or you can just go to the settings and then click up and then up, and now just select any app you want, and here you'll find it. Here you can manage it, and that's how to find any app you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.